The best laptop is one that can play a beat without sounding like it's frying bacon. Okay, that's my joke of this video. We're going to talk about the Dell XPS 9510. Link in the description. Make sure you click the link to get here. This is the exact laptop that I recommend to run FL Studio. So this is basically the best laptop for FL Studio, in my opinion. I think it meets the range of affordability with absolute super high quality performance. Okay, and this is the exact laptop that I use. You can look at the specs here. XPS. So like basically, if you look at my other videos, that's proof that it can run FL. And I'm going to run FL in real time. Just going to briefly talk about this laptop. Basically, I think the biggest thing, at least for me, is the renewed refurbished thing. And I'm going to talk about that because I'm also a former computer technician, so I know quite a bit about this. So I know, like I said, I know many people were probably might look at that and be like, huh? I keep saying like renewed refurbished is a steal depending on where you get it from. So if you know it's high quality, like I could just say something is renewed refurbished because I just deleted some files, right? But this is actually done by Amazon technicians. So they actually do it well and do it correctly. So this to me is an absolute steal because when I paid for this laptop, it was around like $2,000 when I first paid for it, and I've had this laptop for maybe 6-7 years. So you can still see the quality in real time, like when you're watching these videos on how it performs in an even later date. And when you get this laptop, it's probably going to perform even better than what you're seeing here because my stuff has like a ton of files on it. There's no telling how many files I have on my laptop. But yeah, again, this is the XPS 9510. Link in the description. Make sure you click that. I'm going to show you guys how it runs on FL just in real time. And I always say that like you can determine how good a computer is performing on FL by how well it runs Ozone. Like literally, if it runs Ozone well, then it's a solid laptop, and you'll see in real time. So we're just gonna load this up here. FL 2025. FL 2025. Okay. And let's go ahead and put in a song here. We'll put in Blue World here. I was just about to tweak this. All right. And let's load Ozone here. So you'll see how fast Ozone loads. I don't even know what emphasizer is. Let's get rid of that. Where's Ozone at? FL Ozone 9. Oh, I'm losing it here. Where's it at? Oh, here we go. Okay. All right. So you see how fast is it running Ozone. Also keep in mind that the performance of this is actually probably will be faster for you because I'm also recording and I'm also using Google Chrome. So you take those things out, and my laptop is older. So this is like literally the slowest it's probably going to be for you if you get this laptop. I'm waiting for the loudest part.
Yeah, light on the water, blue in the air. Clouds moving slow like nobody there. Step through the shine, still feel the bass. Whole world quiet, lost in the place. You by my side, sky at our feet, waves on top. They just breathe, no rush, no road. We flow, island above us. Like a dream, everything glowing, and it feels real.
I got the lyrics wrong to my own song. Okay. What was I doing? That's really it, guys. Again, link in the description. Check this out. Yes, this is the one that I recommend. The one that I recommend. Get you going. Like, you can buy a more expensive new version, maybe even an upgraded version, because they've dropped like a newer version of the XPS. I haven't personally tested those, so I'm not going to recommend it. And also, like I said, like the cost, like it's kind of above and beyond what you really need to pay. Like I said, to me, this is an absolute steal. And I did quite a bit of research to find my laptop the first time. And then, I really, really thought about it on what to suggest to you guys. So this is the one that I suggest the absolute most. And like I said, like it's Amazon renewed, so you're kind of getting a really good deal. And that's it for this video. Again, guys, click the link in the description. Thank you for watching. Matt Lane, Producer Hub. Peace out.